In this video, I will show you how to change name in Zoom. This should be a quick and easy process to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now to get started with this, what you're going to want to do is open up Zoom and log into your account. Then what you want to do is come up to the top and click onto your profile picture just up here. And from this menu that comes up, just come down and click onto settings. And once your settings window is opened, what you want to do is come over to the left hand side and click onto my account. And then on here, you're going to see an option which says edit my profile. So what you want to do is give that a click. Once you've done that, what's going to happen is a internet browser is going to open and it's going to take you across to the Zoom web portal. So at this point, you want to sign in with your Zoom account. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to a screen like this. From here, you should be on your profile page. If you're not, move to the left-hand side, click onto my account and then profile. At the top, you're going to see information about your account, and what you want to do is come to the right-hand side and click onto edit. Then what you can do is proceed to change your details. So as you can see, you can change your name here, your first name, last name, and display name. After you've made any changes, come down and click save at the bottom. So what I'm going to do is actually change this to Tech Tutor, just like so, and then come down and click save just down here at the bottom. As you can see at the top, it says your settings have been updated, and as you can see, our name has now been changed. So that is how to change name in Zoom. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.